So I think something that's kind of interesting here is that the Indigenous people, English people, French Canadians, Scottish people, everybody got together to trade in this site.
Are you gonna climb up?
Yeah.
Okay. So climbing up. Oh, it's so hot out there, so I guess this is a nice place to chill. What is the purpose of this structure?
I think this might have been a place where people slept.
You know what? That could be it. Does look like a shelter.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna go walk around and give you guys a tour of this place. We're gonna go in there.
I'm just thinking about the Quentin Tarantino movie, The Hateful Eight. I feel like I'm in that movie right now. They used to actually ship items in these barrels, and people here in the village would build these.
So this is a blacksmith area. Check this out.
This would be such a dangerous job. There'd be no OSH committee.
Yeah, like I think over there, we just looked at a blacksmith area. This area, they manufactured this type of barrels for storing, you were saying earlier, cranberries and things.
Salmon.
This one here, let's go in. That's, oh, I think I saw something pretty cool. Look at this. Yeah. Look at this pelt over here. Wow, it's really... Wow, look at that. Look at the view from the deck. Overlooks the whole area. Almost feels like a command post. Oh.
I didn't expect that.
Money vault.
Yeah. I put it to the side, so have a seat, and I'm just going to introduce the layout of the house. And then if you have any questions, we'll tackle those. Everybody else has been served. Layout of the fort in the original fort was warehousing down one side, dwelling housing down the other side, so about 20 families live down this side. This is the trade front, so you do trade here, almost like a 7-Eleven convenience store, and this was a great big store. So depending on how much you wanted or what you were after, you could come into the fort or just trade right here. So this building was divided into many different rooms for different uses. Out back was the kitchen, so you'd actually see me back there. I'm dressed as the cook's wife. On each side of this room is a private family home. So you have one family home for the manager of the fort, and the other side is the manager of the farm and his family. Oh. Front office, only public part of the house. This room was used for meetings and socials hosted by the managers. So you had a big space for visitors. And upstairs was another warehouse. The reason that we're a National Historic Site of Canada, because of this event happening at the big house at Fort Langley in 1858, the day that British Columbia was declared a colony. It took place here, and we were the closest British post to the ocean.
I do appreciate seeing some of these older buildings and just seeing what things look like this building right here that we just came out of. She was saying, the lady we spoke to earlier, that is the oldest building that's surviving.
Oh, it was that one. I thought it was that one, but you're right.
Got potatoes over here.
Oh, nice.
And radish. I don't like radish. It's disgusting to me. You know those horror movies where they have like the sunflowers and then you have the scarecrows and stuff like that. I've never seen a sunflower plant. I mean, I have, but I haven't been this close to one. So this is pretty cool. Oh, check that out. That's so beautiful. Yeah, I want to show you guys what it looks like. It's a beautiful sunflower. And I think, Francis, you should stand next to it, maybe take a nice picture. So wow, this place is actually pretty cool. And look at that. The birthplace of British Columbia. This is one of the most beautiful drives I've experienced here in Canada. Like, just look around you. Check this out. Hello.
Hello.
What do you think of this place?
Pretty neat. Yeah, I like it.
That's mental. They definitely travel faster than sound, because you actually see them, then you hear the sound afterwards. So that's pretty cool.
I can't believe how loud they are. Like,
Yeah.
They look like such little planes.
Yeah, I am very afraid of goats.
But you're gonna get over that fear today. He wants to bite you. He wants to play. He's just trying to play.
I'm so scared.
So you guys brew the cider here?
Yes.
Oh. And is it normally made of apples or?
That's cider is apples. Brew beer,
Oh, okay.
ferment cider.
How does that taste?
That's so good.
It's my first time trying cider. It's really nice.
I like how it's like a bit orange and yellow.
Oh, this one looks like
Like a tequila sunrise, but
Yeah.
non-alcoholic.
Can I try it?
Yeah.
What I love about it is, like, if you bring this close, look at the texture here. I mean, look.
Yeah, they put some kind of salt with
Yeah.
food coloring maybe?
Yeah, it looks amazing. Oh, these two are perfect. These are awesome.
Hi.
Oh, look at that.
Do you want some drinks too?
I'm gonna try this one.
So that's the ciderita. Sauce, cider, lime juice, and tonic water.
Okay, let's see what this tastes like. Oh, that's... Actually, no. I like...
You like the first two better, hey?
I love the first two. I think my favorite is the first one.
And that one actually we forgot to talk about. It's a pink flamingo with guava juice, sauce cider, rose syrup, and tonic water.
Fantastic. These two are my favorite.
You're not drink them all on me. I'm kidding. These are churros. Oh, look. They're actually bigger than I thought. They put whipped cream on them. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna get this in my mouth, but... Mmm. You got one!
What do you think you'll score?
I have no clue, but probably 0.
Believe in yourself.
Oh!
Oh! Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, you beat my score. It's so much better.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
They have some more games. Let's go see what these ones are.
Right, go for it.
I'm gonna miss it. Okay, let's try again.
Yeah, she almost threw it into the parking area. Now you're gonna learn from the professional. I'm an expert.
Yes, from the pro.
Yes, from the pro. Fun area, definitely. Like, lots of different activities you can take part in. There are the goats over there, you know, place.
I got it.
Oh, you're the
Throw
best.
it hard, I think.
Good job.
Wants to. He's looking at
Pulling me around. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Look at that.
God, they act like they never ate before.
So adorable. Hey, this is our thumbnail. Come here. With the goats.
There's no more of that. It's only because I have food. I can trick them.
Hey.
Oh, ew.